In this video, we will show you how to show file extension in Windows 11. You can see in here, we have some files without extension and we cannot see how to open the files. So, to show the extension of the files in Windows 11, we have two methods. First, in here, we need to go to our desktop and see our files extension is missing in here or hidden. To show the extension of the files, the easiest way, we can just click View Pane in here and click Show and select item with file name extension. Just click this. And you can also doing with a harder method by clicking in this menu and click Options. And in here, just click View. And in here, just don't tick hide extension for known files and click apply. The boot method can show the extension of the files. So I think this is the easiest way. You can just click view and click show and choose file name extension. Hope this video helpful for you.